Hello, this is part 17, Equip Weapon. In this video I'll show you how to equip weapon. That means to holster and unholster the weapon. I'm going to show you the animation blueprint. I'm going to show you the skeleton. I created a socket called holster. That puts the weapon on the back of the character. I created two montage, one for equip and one for unequip. I'll show you the one for equip. I created a notify called equip weapon and a slot called rifle standing equip. On the other one, I created a notify called unequip weapon and rifle standing unequip. When that notify is triggered, it goes to here, and this will attach to the hand, and the unequip goes to here and it will attach to the holster. On the anim graph I created these slots. This is equip, this is unequip, and these are the same ones down here. On the player character, I created a blueprint called holster that fires off when you press H on the keyboard, and I created a blueprint called unholster that fires off when you press F on the keyboard. Under content, anim starter pack, UE4 mannequin mesh. Double click UE4 mannequin skeleton. Highlight spine 03, right click, add socket. Change the name of the socket to holster. Right click holster, add preview asset, search for AR4. Add SKAR4 skeletal mesh. First I'll show you how to adjust the gun and get it in the basic position. Point the gun down. The handle should be pointing to the right. So this is basically the position where the gun should be. To fine tune the animation, press animation, that will bring you to this screen. Search for equip under asset browser, double click on equip rifle standing, then stop the animation where the hand looks like it's grabbing the gun, and you can fine tune it by going next or previous. And then adjust the gun into the hand like it's shown here, and then later on you might have to adjust it again, and you can come back and adjust it later if it's not right. When you're done, save this and close. Content, Anim Starter Pack. Search for Equip. Right-click Equip Rifle Standing. Create Anim Montage. I'm going to name this Equip Rifle Standing Montage Equip. Double-click Equip Rifle Standing Montage Equip. Now you want to try to get the animation at the point where he grabs the gun. So probably about here. Then go down to Notifies, and then on the red line where you stopped it, right click and add Notify, New Notify. I'm going to name this Equip Weapon, and then select the Notify. Then under Montage Tick Type, select Branching Point and save. Double-click Equip Rifle Standing Montage Equip. Go to Anim Slot Manager, add slot. I'm going to name this Rifle Standing Equip. Then from this drop down, select Rifle Standing Equip and save that and close. Now you're going to repeat the process. Right click, Equip Rifle Standing, create Anim Montage. In this case, name it Equip Rifle Standing Montage Unequip. Add a slot, but this time name it Rifle Standing Unequip, and change this drop down to Rifle Standing Unequip. Name the Notify Unequip weapon, and you can set Notify Begin Time to be identical to the other one here. Under Content, Anim Starter Pack, double-click UE4 ASP, Hero TPP, Anim Blueprint. These nodes were added. Everything else is the same. This slot and this slot are the same as this slot and this slot. When you're done, compile and save. Double-click UE4 ASP, Hero TPP, Anim Blueprint. This is the Equip and Unequip blueprint. Put grip point here. put holster here. And compile and save when you're done. Under content, third person sheet, double click player character. This is the initialized blueprint. You can delete these if you want. I disconnected them, so now this is the whole initialized blueprint. It just initializes the HUD, nothing else. When you're done, compile and save. Double click player character. This is the switch gun blueprint. Highlight everything and press delete. Compile and save. Double click player character. I'll show you the unholstered blueprint. When you press the F key, it'll unholster the gun. This is equip rifle standing montage equip. Double click player character. I'll show you the holstered blueprint. When you press H, it will holster the gun. This is equip rifle standing montage unequip. Double click player character. I modified the gun fire blueprint by adding this blueprint in 3 places, and it's the same in each of the 3 places. What this does is it will enable gun mode when you fire the gun. Double click shotgun B. I'm going to remove these nodes here. So just press delete and delete these nodes. Compile and save. And do the same thing to FP gun, which I've already done. And do the same thing to AR4, which I've already done. I'll press play to test. Okay, I'm going to take this gun and I will put it in the holster. I'll take it out of the holster. I'll fire it. I'll put it in the holster. And I'll pick up this gun. I'll drop it. I'll pick up this gun. I'll pick up the ammo. I'll load the gun. I'll fire. I'll drop it. And I will take the gun out of the holster. I'll fire. And I'll put the gun back in the holster. and everything seems to be working correctly.